today's world of online communication and transaction, digital marketing is very essential. It doesn't really matter about the size or the type of organization you're into unless you have a proper plan and also you're aware of the digital marketing strategy. So, in order to help you guys with creating an upright plan, this video on digital marketing strategy is your one stop solution. So, hi guys, this is Vaishnavi from Edureka, and in today's session, we'll talk about digital marketing strategy. But before we get started with this session, let's take a look at the agenda. So, firstly, I'll talk about why do you need digital marketing strategy for your business plan. And then we'll see what exactly is a digital marketing strategy, followed by which we'll see how to get started with planning. And then we'll see what are the key points to be noted while working on digital marketing strategy. And then we'll see how to structure a plan. And finally, I'll wrap up this session by talking about the tactics to tackle the challenges that arises while planning. So I hope the agenda was clear to you guys. Now, before we get started with this session, subscribe to Edureka YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us on trending technologies. And also, if you're someone who's looking for an online certification training in digital marketing, check out the link in the description box below. So let's begin this session. So the first topic I'll be discussing would be why do you need digital marketing strategy? So each company has its specific set of goals, but the majority of them are only concentrating on driving sales to their organization, and finding new gateways to success is a wearisome task. This is where marketing strategy comes into the picture. To make your company's work more effective, you have to take advantage of all the most valuable marketing resources and technologies. So in that case, internet tops the list. Now, gathering some information and planning out for proper business strategy is definitely going to benefit your organization. So, this is exactly why we need digital marketing strategy. Now, what exactly, according to you, is digital marketing strategy? A digital marketing strategy is basically a plan of action to achieve your digital marketing goals. A strategy is basically a plan of action which is achieved by a particular goal. All right. Now, the marketing channels like paid, earned, and social media, all of these come under this strategy. Now, depending upon your job scale, the strategy might involve planning, each with a different agenda and the end result. Now, when I say strategy, it is most certain that it needs more creative thinking and also difficult to create. So, let's see how to get started with strategizing your business operations. So, here are a few must known facts that influence the growth of any organization. So, the first thing would be branding. So, you have to outline your organization's guidelines that will help in the online campaigns, and also do focus on USP, that is, unique selling point, for more sale conversions. Now, the next is create SMART goals. SMART basically stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely results. So, to strategize your business in a way that it benefits both customers as well as the organization, you need SMART goals. Now, the next is build buyer persona. You have to determine your business reach. Target a proper set of customers and gain their trust. All right. After you build buyer persona, you have to choose the right marketing strategy. After setting a proper goal, you need to be choosy in terms of strategy, guys. Focus on a few techniques that offer the most value for your business and trendy strategies. After this, you have to set a proper marketing budget. Budget plays a very important role in your business, so you need to know where to invest and what you should invest in. After this, you have to launch your marketing campaigns. After proper planning, launch your campaigns across the marketing channels and ensure all your channels feature the appropriate tracking information. Now, once you finish planning and launching your marketing campaigns, you need to keep track of the results. So, in order to monitor and measure the performance strategies, you need to keep a track of your results. This can be done by using tools like Google Analytics, which is one of the very useful tool in this case. So, this is exactly how you get started with planning your business strategy. Now, the next thing that I have on the list is key points to note while creating a strategy. So the first one is know what your business requires and set a corresponding objective. You should be very particular about your business goals and also set an objective. So the objective goes something like this. The digital marketing mission must fit into your impressive plan. You should also be able to set and measure your KPIs and also get familiar with these by identifying the figures you want to achieve. And also, you should have the ability to analyze your previous digital marketing efforts for better KPIs and also identify and measure each of your KPIs. So, before you get started with your strategizing concept, you need to know what your business requires. All right. Analyze your past efforts and try not to commit the same mistake. This is one of the most tedious part, guys. You would have already worked on something and you would have failed miserably. So you should try not to commit the same mistake again to fall into the same pit. So analyzing your past digital marketing efforts, failures and success and also correcting yourself is more than enough to have a business running smoothly. These can also really help in setting the best KPIs. Now, the next is communication or how you communicate with your customers. Always remember who you are talking to and try to talk business in their language. Do not let the planning take away the people that you're trying to reach. So, you know your audience well, so try to be more interactive with them. All right, now the next is identify your means. Three things which are very important for identifying your means, guys. These are namely the budget, your digital channels, and your marketing team. Without these, it's better off that you don't have a marketing department at all. So it is always important to stock all your resources before deciding on what else you might need for the next period. The next on the list is make an effective plan. Creating a productive plan is a tedious task, but you should take every care to craft a carefully constructed plan based on a set of insightful assumptions and analysis. You should predict exactly how your customers would behave. So, monitoring the performance of your digital marketing strategy is really very important. So, these are the key points you should note when you're creating a digital marketing strategy. Now, the next topic that we'll be talking about would be how to structure a digital marketing plan. So, integrated digital marketing strategy will give you a foundation of all key online marketing activities. So, here are a few marketing activities, guys. So, the first one would be planning. Consider using a data driven approach to review your current digital marketing effectiveness, custom analytics, KPI dashboards, and smart objectives in order to create a strategy of prioritized improvements and how you deploy digital marketing media, technology, and data to increase leads, which in turn increases the sales. So, planning is the first step to success. The next one would be the reach. You should be able to build awareness using online marketing channels like social media, SEO, content marketing, and so on, which will drive visits to your site. Then the next one is act. Always encourage interactions on your website or sometimes social media, which will help you generate leads. So, after you plan and reach your customers and also act upon the reach, you should know how to convert them. Once you know the people are landing onto your web page, you should know how to convert the visit to a sale. So, the conversion plays an important role in digital marketing strategy. The superlative goal is to generate revenue by retargeting, nurturing, and CRO, that is conversion rate optimization, in order to remind and persuade your audience to buy via one of the marketing channels. All right. Now that you've got conversion, you should know how to engage yourself with the people. So, engagement plays a vital role in a digital marketing strategy. So once you engage more with your customers, it'll eventually increase the number of sales from your existing customers by improving personalized communication using web, email, social media, and many more. Okay, so now that you've got an idea of how to strategize your business goals, now let's move ahead and take a look at the challenges that you'll be facing while creating a marketing strategy. So you can tackle digital marketing via a digital strategy made up of many different tactics. When all these tactics are used together, they create a holistic approach to getting your business more leads. Don't forget to shift your focus to content marketing because this is helping out a lot of industries to brand their product and their company as well. So, content marketing is gaining a lot of advantage or a lot of importance these days. So, shift your focus to content marketing and also understand organic content and paid advertising within your digital marketing strategy. I would say this because there's a lot of noise competing for your customers' attention online. There are countless articles, videos, and advertisements flashing before their eyes every day. While this is happening, organic content is still important your SEO ranking and social media campaigns. So do focus on organic content and paid advertising. So these are the challenges that you'll be coming across while strategizing your business plan. Also, with this, we come to the end of this video on digital marketing strategy. I hope you guys are clear with the topics that are covered, which, as per my knowledge, would have really helped you in your quest. So, if you have any queries, please put them across in the comment section below, and we'll definitely get back to you at the earliest. So, thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!